Hey there, ready to shake things up a bit with your lead generation strategy? Picture this, getting your hands on 20 leads every month, and the best part? You won't have to cough up a penny on Facebook ads. How's that possible, you ask? Well, it's all down to the magic of AI technology. I'm super excited to take you on this journey today and show you how AI can seriously boost your lead generation game. You know, with the power of AI, we have this amazing ability to sift through loads of data. We're talking about uncovering what your audience really likes and how they behave. With that, we can make content that feels tailor-made for them, hitting their sweet spot. It's kind of like having a sixth sense. Thanks to AI's predictive powers, we can see what your audience might need even before they do, ensuring they get the right message just when they need it. Cool, huh? It's really quite fascinating what AI is capable of in the modern era. Picture this. It's not just crafting engaging blog posts on a range of topics, but it's also personalizing marketing emails to your specific interests and creating a whole host of tailored content meant just for you. But that's not all. AI is also revolutionizing video production, taking raw footage and transforming it into polished, professional videos that reel in audiences. If you're a fan of podcasts, AI has something for you too. It's generating seamless scripts for podcast episodes, ensuring every word resonates with the listener and provides value. And there's more. It's leveraging data to provide real-time insights on how well your content is performing. But it doesn't just supply the metrics. It learns, adapts, and optimizes. The AI takes this data and tweaks your content strategy accordingly, constantly refining for better engagement and results. It's all quite futuristic, wouldn't you agree? But hey, that's not the end of the story. Did you know AI can take over the tedious task of nurturing leads, booking appointments, and generating online reviews? It's like having a personal assistant to help you build strong relationships with your prospects. Fancy trying it out? I've got a great offer for you. I'm giving away a free trial of our AI marketing platform. Just drop by our site, realleadsfinder.com, and claim your free trial today. It's as easy as that. Are you all set to kick up your lead generation game a notch with AI technology? Then you definitely wouldn't want to let this chance slip by. To make your decision even easier, we're offering a free trial of our comprehensive AI system. It includes an AI chatbot, online booking, and more. Visit our website to get started. Remember, this isn't just a golden opportunity, it's a smart decision. Visit realleadsfinder.com now.